To fix the problem where you can't find any games on the Google Play Store in Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first let's launch our Google Play Store. Right here, when we look for games like Warzone, so you can see the game is not available on the list. And to fix that, we need to click on our account picture in the top right corner of the screen, scroll down and select Settings. Inside Reveal Family Settings, go for Parental Controls, and right here you can either disable parental controls entirely, click on the switch and enter the PIN, confirm it, and the parental controls should be gone. The other way to do it is to click on Apps and Games, enter your PIN again, and then increase PG either to 18, 16, or allow all including underrated. Let's save those settings and then go back to our search. Now when we look for Warzone, it is available right here and we can install it.